So it's October, which means I'm starting to lose my tan, and I've got some dead skin. My skin needs some help. So today we're going to share with you an exfoliating body polish recipe. So this recipe is going to moisturize your skin while exfoliating, and I think it's better than anything you'll find at a spa.
Perfect. So I use this in the shower or in the bath?
Either works.
Perfect.
So for this recipe, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of almond oil. You'll need 4 teaspoons of emulsifying wax.
This comes in your recipe box.
If you're a subscriber, we have a recipe box where everything you need for this recipe comes in. You'll need 3 tablespoons of sugar, 10 drops of Mandarin, and 5 drops of autumn air. And you also need a small sealable container to put it in.
All right, so let's get this show on the road.
So in a double boiler, like you can use something like this or a glass measuring cup resting inside 2 inches or so of water, we're going to add almond oil and our emulsifying wax. And we'll add 4 teaspoons of emulsifying wax. So we'll heat this up, let it melt, and then we'll let it cool down just a bit and add the essential oils and sugar.
Sounds good.
And now that that's melted, turn it off, take it off the heat. So now we'll add the essential oils. We're going to add 10 drops of Mandarin Essential Oil. Mandarin Essential Oil really helps improve the appearance of your skin. And autumn air smells amazing, and it's another good cleaner too. Now we'll stir, and then we'll add the sugar. Pour the sugar in, and stir it up. Alright, so we'll mix that up, and the sugar is going to be a natural exfoliant. And I love the way this exfoliates your skin. It's not too harsh, and it rinses off super easily while being good for your skin. Next step is to put it in a sealable container and label. Okay? Like so. And then it's ready to be used. You want to make sure it's a sealable container, and you want to be careful not to get water into here, because that's going to shorten its shelf life and it'll start to break down once it encounters water. So the best way to use this is in a shower or bath. And
I would take a spoon or something to get it out so that if you're in the shower or bath and you're wet, you're not getting water in there.
Right, so you'll want to use a spoon too. It'll work into your skin while moisturizing it and exfoliating it.
Nice.
And then it'll rinse away super easily.
Ooh, yeah, that's nice.
And it's not too harsh of an exfoliant.
Yeah, no, not at all.
It feels really good.
Yeah, it does. All right.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists at Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
So for more recipes just like this, head to our website and check out our recipe box.
Our recipe box comes with 4 full-size essential oils, 6 natural recipes created by us, aromatherapists, and you're gonna love it.
Make sure you hit that subscribe now button.
Thanks
for watching. I watched Mandy last night.
Really?